Hello, these are notes for 12.4, for worksheet 12.4. It's all about intercepts. Easy notes, easiest probably lesson of the whole chapter. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys remember what an intercept is, but an x-intercept is where the graph crosses the x-axis. And a lot of times on our parabolas are used, they touch twice. And the y-intercept is where it touches the y-axis. It can only touch once. So based on the graphs, you're going to name the x and y intercepts, and you're going to name them as a pair, ordered pair. So for example, we have two x-intercepts. One is at -1, 0, and the other one is at 3, 0. Notice that you have an x point, but you don't, y is 0. And then the y-intercept would be where it touches the y-axis. And I will highlight these a little better for you guys. And that would be at 0, -2. Again, realize that your x-coordinate is 0 in that case. So that's the first problem. There are 3 problems right across on your notes. If you guys are looking at the notes, that's the first one. Here's the next 2. So all we're doing is noting what the x and y intercept is. Even if the parabola is upside down, we have 2 x-intercepts. 1, 2, 3, 4. -4, 0, and 1, 0, and we have 1 y-intercept. 1, 2, 3, 4, so 0, 4. And we're just going to keep doing that for 3 graphs so you can kind of get the idea. There is a time where you can only have 1 x-intercept, and that is where it just bounces. We call it bouncing off. So it bounces off the x-axis. Remember, this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. So that x-intercept is 0, 0, and actually the y-intercept is 0, 0. Now they don't have to be the same if it bounces off, but in this case it is. So this is the time where you could have 1 x-intercept. Okay, so if you go on your notes, the next 3 across are just the same thing. This graph, it looks like it's a little bit narrow, which would mean our A would be larger than 1. And you notice the x-intercepts are close together because it's narrow. And so we have 3, 0, and over more, 5, 0. Now, notice the y-intercept. Y-intercept, not touching. It probably does at some point, but we can't see it, so we're just going to put none. Without an equation, we know for sure. Now here's another example. This one doesn't have any x-intercepts. It never touches the x-axis. That could happen if the parabola is moved up all the way. And the y-intercept touches right there at 0.